Measure the time and height, that is 10 centimeter, so 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter, so we are going to mark it as 10. So the reading part is over and we are going to do the final calculations. So we are going to do the calculations. So coming to the first tabular column, HSR, HSE into least count. So HSE is 21 and it is multiplied with this least count, we are going to get it as 0.21. Observed reading, picture scale reading plus head scale reading, we are going to get it as 4.21. So second reading 0.18, 4.18. Third 0.22, 4.22. So diameter D. Observed reading, here one sign is missing, plus or minus 0 correction, plus or minus 0 correction. So here we are going to get 0 correction as plus 0.05. So we are going to add this 0.05 with this 4.21. We will get it as 4.26. Then 4.18 plus 0.05, very simple addition. So 4.23. Then 4.27. I think you are not having any doubt regarding this. We are just adding the correction because we are getting the correction as plus. So we are going to add that value with the observed reading. So if you are going to get negative value, then we are going to subtract from the observed reading. Right now, then A, radius, diameter divided by 2. So 4.26 divided by 2, we will get it as 2.23. Then 4.23, 2.15. Then 2.27, sorry, 4.27, we will get it as 2.135, like that it will go. Divided by 2, no, 2.26 divided by 2, we will get it as 2.13. Okay, now it is correct. 2.13, 2.15, 2.13. Then average. Add all these three values and divide by 3. We will get the final value. We are going to add 2.13 plus 2.15 plus 2.13 divided by 3, we will get it as 2.136. So final value 2.136. So like that we are going to do the calculation for the second ball and third ball. So I am going to leave it as blank. So for your purpose, then only we can get the experience of that calculation. So ball 2, ball 3, I am keeping as blank. We are going to calculate the radius of the second ball and third ball. So now I am going to substitute the radius of the first ball in this second tabular column A, that is 2.136. Then A squared. A squared, so 2.136 into 2.136. So square pandinga. So you are going to get as 4.562. 4.562. Then A square T by H. We know the value of A square, we know the value of T, and we know the value of H. So don't include this 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 2 in the calculation because in the final column it is going to keep it as 10 power minus 5. So it is going to be kept as 10 power minus 5. So don't bother about this 10 power minus 6 and 10 power minus 2. Just put the values, substitute the values of A square, T and H. So what is the value of A square? 4.562 2 time a squared into t 3.03 divided by h, so divided by 10. So we're going to get it as 1.382. So 1.382. So like that, after doing the calculation for ball 2 and ball 3, substitute the value of a here and square it, we will get the value of a square. So we know the value of t and we know the value of h. So calculate the value of a squared t by h. So here also we are going to get three values. Then calculate the average of these three, a squared t by h average. More or less we are going to get the same value, 1.3 or 1.2, like that we will get. Add all the three values and divided by 3, we will get the average. Then coming to the observation, so density of the glass bead, so 2500 kilogram per meter cube, and density of the cast oil 970 kilogram per meter cube. So then value of a squared t by h, finish pannilama in the value. So now first experiment சொல்லும்போது செகண்ட் கால்குலேஷனும் தேர்ட் கால்குலேஷனும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு என்ன சொல்கிறது ஹோம்ஒர்க் மாதிரி பெண்டிங் வச்சேன். பட் if you want to get the final result of this experiment, we need the calculation part of the second ball and third ball also. அதனால் என்ன பண்ணேன் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த செகண்ட் பால்னுடைய ரேடியஸும் கால்குலேட் பண்ணி போட்டு வச்சுருக்கேன். நீங்கள் என்ன கிராஸ் செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தென் தேர்ட் பால்னுடைய ரேடியஸும் I calculated and it is getting as 2.17. It is coming as 2.17. And then second glass ball nudiya time edukumbodhu and the stopwatch la there is some error. So the actual value is 2.50. Starting la 2.90 sollirpen. It is 2.50. Adha maathirkom. So first glass ball, second glass ball, third glass ball nudiya radius kondu vandu second table card la substitute pannirkom. So 2.136, here 2.136, then radius of the second glass ball 2.33, then radius of the third one 2.17. Then by using this value, a squared calculation is over. H is the height difference between the markings, first marking and second marking. அது ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருக்கோம், ஸ்டார்டிங்லேயே 10 சென்டிமீட்டர் வச்சுருக்கோம், அதனால் 10 போட்டிருக்கோம். தென் டைம் வந்து மெஷர் பண்ணும், கிளாஸ் பால்ஸ் உள்ளே போட்டு டைம் மெஷர் பண்ணும். So on the time போட்டிருக்கும். So substitute the values in this a squared t by h formula. We are going to get as 1.382 and 1.357 and 1.380. Then இந்த மூணையும் ஆட் பண்ணி, இந்த த்ரீ வேல்யூஸ் ஆட் பண்ணி 3ல டிவைட் பண்ணி ஆவரேஜ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கேன். 1.373 into 10 power minus 4. So here substitute observation value of a squared t by h is 1.373 into 10 power minus 4. So coming to this formula, so this is the formula for coefficient of viscosity. So this is the formula for coefficient of viscosity. Eta is equal to 2 by 9 rho minus sigma into g, then a square t by h. This is the formula. So now I am going to substitute the values. 2 by 9 rho, density of the glass bead, that is 2500. So 2500 minus sigma, density of the cast oil, that is the liquid which we used, cast oil, its density is 970. Then g, gravitational acceleration due to gravity, we know the value as 9.8. The value which we calculated from this experiment is a squared t by h, that is 1.373 into 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. The first step, 2 by 9, I am going to keep as such. Then subtract this 2500 minus 970. We will get it as 2500 minus 970, 1530, so 9.8, 1.373 into 10 power minus 4. So do the final calculation. So 2 into 1530 into 9.8 into 1.373 equal to, we will get it as 4173.524 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 9. So divided by 9, we will get it as 4574.836 into 10 power minus 4. So if you bring this 10 power minus 4 in this value, this decimal will move to the left hand side. How many decimals it will move means 4 decimals. That means 0.4574. So this is the final answer. So we are going to write the unit. So Newton second meter inverse 2. So substitute this value in the result column, the coefficient of viscosity of the given highly viscous liquid. For example, castor oil, we are going to get as 0.4574.